Have you ever wondered why hard work alone is never enough? You wake up, grind for 8 hours, yet your bank account feels like it's frozen in time every single year. It's not an accident, and it's not your fault. You are caught in a financial trap, a system designed to keep the 99% struggling while the elite grow wealthier. In this video, we go deep into the silent traps they never taught you in school and the exact methods the top 1% use to escape this cycle. The first trap is the invisible thief called inflation. It is eating away at your savings every second, making the money you worked so hard for worth less every day. We were taught to trade time for money, but the secret is the wealthy don't work for money. They make money work tirelessly for them while they sleep. If you are ready to stop running in the rat race and start building true freedom, this is the most important financial lesson you will hear all year. Most people are taught to save, but saving without investing is like pouring water into a bucket with a hole. You are losing wealth every single day without even realizing it. Inflation is the hidden tax. It doesn't steal your money directly. It steals what your money can buy. $100 today is worth much less than it was 10 years ago. We buy things we don't need with money. We don't have to impress people we don't like. This is the luxury trap that keeps the 99% broke forever. The wealthy understand the difference between assets and liabilities. An asset puts money in your pocket, while a liability takes it out. Most people own nothing but liabilities disguised as success. You are stuck in the rat race, working harder just to pay for a lifestyle you can't truly afford, leaving you with zero freedom at the end of every month. But there is a way out. It starts with changing your strategy. It's time to stop working for money and start building a system that generates wealth for you automatically. Most people fear debt, but not all debt is created equal. Understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt is the first step toward achieving true financial mastery. Bad debt is money borrowed to buy things that lose value instantly. Credit cards for fashion or loans for luxury cars. It is a prison that locks your future to your past. Good debt is leverage. It is money borrowed to buy assets that generate income like real estate or business expansion that pays for itself while putting profit in your pocket. The 1% use debt as a tool to accelerate wealth, while the 99% use it as a chain for temporary status. One builds a kingdom, the other builds a cage. True assets are your soldiers. They work for you 24/7 without complaining. Every dollar invested is a soldier that goes out to bring more brothers back to your bank account. This is the power of compounding. Small, consistent investments into real assets grow exponentially over time, turning a tiny seed into a massive forest of financial security and freedom. The wealthy master delayed gratification. While others spend their bonus on a new iPhone, the 1% reinvest that money to buy their freedom 10 years earlier. Invest in your mind first. The best asset you will ever own is your brain. Knowledge is the only thing that cannot be taxed, stolen, or inflated away. Don't rely on a single paycheck. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. If one stream dries up, the other 6 keep the garden growing green. Poor people sell their time to buy things. Rich people spend their money to buy back their time. Focus on high-value tasks and outsource everything else to the system. Risk is not the enemy, ignorance is. The wealthy don't avoid risks, they calculate them. They play the game of chess while everyone else is playing the lottery. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with lions, and you will learn to hunt. Surround yourself with sheep, and you will remain in the flock forever. You cannot build a skyscraper on a weak foundation. The first step is to create an emergency fund. It is your shield against invisible financial disasters, allowing you to invest without fear. Financial success is not about discipline, it's about systems. Set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts every single month. Make sure you pay yourself first before you pay any other bills. You don't need to be an expert. Invest in index funds or ETFs. This automatically gives you ownership in the world's largest companies, diversifying your risk and growing with the global economy. In the AI era, you can build secondary income streams from anywhere in the world. Use your knowledge to create digital products, write an ebook, or do affiliate marketing. These are assets you build once and profit from forever. Wealth does not happen overnight. It is the result of time and discipline. Be patient and let the power of compounding work its magic. What you do today may seem small, but it is your golden forest tomorrow. You've learned the traps, the habits, and the strategy. Now it's time for action. Choose one area that interests you most and start today. Because the first step is always the hardest, but the most important. The path to wealth is never a straight line. There will be tests and failures. The only difference between those who succeed and those who fail is the ability to stand up again. Never compare your Chapter 1 to someone else's Chapter 20. In a world showing only highlights, focus on your own progress. Even a 1% improvement every day leads to massive change. Financial freedom isn't about having money to buy everything. It's about having power over your time. It's the ability to choose what you do, where you go, and who you're with. The top 1% think in decades, while everyone else thinks in days. Look far ahead and build a legacy that outlasts you. That is the true meaning of winning the game. Every decision today is a brick in your future. Will you build a cage with liabilities or a kingdom with assets? The power of choice is in your hands right now. If you're ready to change your life and escape these traps, follow us for more wealth secrets every week. Your journey to the top starts today. Don't wait for tomorrow. Remember, wealth is not measured by the money you earn, but by the freedom it provides. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.